Hey guys, how's it going? This video is presented by JP Canada Toronto Center, and this is Harunglish. That's 教科書英語. I think she's ready. Let's begin.
Hi there, this is Har.
Hey, what up? It's Jeff.
So last time we got request from Ryoga. Thank you again, Ryoga. So he asked us how to use up to. So then we introduced two ways last time. So today we are gonna introduce two more sentences, two more ways. So okay, let's introduce. Hey Jeff, I have good news.
Oh, what's up?
Yeah, so I got day off tomorrow.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yay!
It's been a while.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, indeed.
What are you up to tomorrow?
What up to?
Yeah.
What are you up to? What are you up to?
Not quite. Up to means plans. So when I say, what are you up to tomorrow? What are your plans
Are
tomorrow?
your plans tomorrow? Oh, so up to mean in this case not as high as or it's your decision, not like that.
No.
So, what is your plan?
Yeah. What are your plans
What
tomorrow?
are your plans tomorrow?
Yeah. What are you up to tomorrow?
What are you up to tomorrow? What are you up to tomorrow? My plan? Nothing special?
Okay, well, you want to go on a date?
Sounds good.
Great. You're buying.
Huh? What are you saying? Right.
I'll get you next time, babe.
Okay, so let's practice this sentence. It's useful.
What are you up to tomorrow?
What are you up to tomorrow? What are you up to tomorrow? 1, 2. Great. So another one. Hey Jeff. So tomorrow,
Yeah?
I'm gonna hang out with Yoshi.
Ah, Yoshi.
Yay.
Cool.
I'm excited.
Yeah, what's he been up to lately? What's he been up to lately?
What has he been
Yeah.
up to
Yeah.
lately?
Yes.
Has he been plus up to?
Yes.
I'm confused.
Well, when we say what has he been up to or
Has he
what's
been?
he been up to lately, we mean when we use present perfect for people that we haven't seen in a very long time. So it asks about important things in his life, like job or girlfriend, maybe wife, or a hobby or something important that's happening to him that he's doing. So when we ask what's he been up to lately, it's what is he doing lately?
So not present tense. So instead of present tense, if you use perfect present tense, then like if it's been a while, then so since last time when you meet, like oh how have you been or how has he been, in those cases, and you can use a perfect present tense.
Absolutely.
And also, like, you know what? I'm grammar mania. So, and if you want to know about the detail of perfect present tense, how to use perfect present tense, or what's the difference between perfect present tense and present tense, I will explain in next video in Japanese very well. So please take a look at that. All right. So then, what has he been up to?
Yes. What has he been up to lately?
What has he been? Sorry, what has he been up to lately?
Yes.
Lately mean like recently,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly. Like you can say now, but now is a little like
Now
right
is
now.
only right now, right? But
Yeah.
present perfect mean like since last time
Yes.
you met to now.
Yes.
Right? Not dot. Like present tense is kind of dot.
Yeah.
Or like near now, right?
Yeah.
Present.
Exactly. It's
But,
like habit.
But perfect, yeah, like I brush my teeth every morning like
Exactly.
that. But perfect present tense mean like since last time
Yeah,
to
something
now,
started in the past that you're still doing now,
Yeah.
like a new job or a girlfriend.
So not a dot and kind of line.
Yeah.
See? Yeah.
Shall we practice?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
What have you been up to lately?
What has he been up to lately? What has he been up to lately?
Yes, remember when you're using pronouns, don't forget to change have and has depending
Yeah.
on you or he, respectively.
So I or you, then you have to use have, but he, she, it, then you have to change to has.
Yes.
So in this case, he, the subject is he. So what has he been up to lately?
Yes,
Oh, I could say that.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Don't forget we and they take have. What have they been up to? What have we been up to?
Yeah.
What have we been up to? Anyway, shall we practice one more time?
Okay. So first sentence.
What are you up to tonight?
What are you up to tonight? 1, 2. So second one.
What have you been up to lately?
What have you been up to lately? 1, 2. Yay! So today we introduce 2 more sentences. So total we introduce 4 sentences.
That's correct. That all use up to.
So I think like from now you have a lot of chance to see up to like in magazine or books or when you on the bus or train you can see in the advertise. So whenever you find up to, please guess which ways that we cover
Yes,
whole 4 sentences.
that's
4
correct.
ways.
That's correct.
So and practice makes
Perfect.
perfect. So let's enjoy practice sentences and improve English together.
Yay.
Okay, so this is Har and
Hey, what up? This was Jeff.
so we are